Hi! It's your Ilongga Get Dressed With Me girly! And for today is nasa ibang background po tayo kasi nag-sleep over tayo. And ngayon is uuwi na tayo. So let's get dressed with me. So, ito yung gagamitin ko dahil sa previous video ko is hindi ko siya nagamit because between the two, I chose the other one. And now, I'm choosing her, the beautiful her. So, this is top on and when worn. So previously, my pants was H&M when I went here, and it's a baggy pants and low rise. But then again, my aunt liked it. So we exchanged gifts, or we exchanged pants, and I got this one. So if you want to see the baggy pants that I wore in the previous video, that was the one that my aunt traded me with this, but I got 2 pounds from her, and this is the other one. This is the look of the pants when worn. So I liked it because it's low rise and it's just like there. So I don't have much belts here, or any belts at all. But yeah, should have tucked it in. I should have worn like that one so that to give emphasis. I look so short here. Can I put it here? There. And my head is full of or should I wear this one, I guess, so that I can tuck it in? Maybe I'll wear this one. So yeah, this is it. But I'm not comfortable, so I will change with this one. So I'm gonna do this very quickly. There was definitely not a catch. So which is which? I guess this one, right? I'll just wear my necklace and my watch. Definitely this is it, and I'll prepare my things first. I'll pack that up and I'll do some like quick day makeup. So for the full outfit check, I'm gonna do it downstairs with the natural lighting because here it's so dark. But this is me without makeup. I have a lot of pimples there, pimples. But yeah,